Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your market trends with Gartner, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize your market trends with Gartner, begin by familiarizing yourself with Gartner. Understand the different types of research reports they offer, including magic quadrants and hype cycles. Access Gartner's website and create an account if you don't already have one. Use the search feature to look for reports relevant to your industry. Once you find a report, review the executive summary for key insights. Take note of the data points, trends, and analyses presented within the report. Identify the key players in your market as highlighted in the research. Examine the strengths and weaknesses of these players. Look for emerging trends that Gartner identifies in their reports. Determine how these trends could affect your business strategy. Utilize the recommended best practices from Gartner's findings in your planning. Engage with Gartner's webinars and podcasts for further insights and expert opinions. Network with other industry professionals who also utilize Gartner's research. Join discussions in forums where market trends in Gartner's research are discussed. Use the insights gathered to create or refine your marketing strategies. Regularly check back for updated reports to stay current with evolving trends. Establish a routine for reviewing Gartner research at key intervals, such as quarterly or biannually. Document your findings and strategies in a way that aligns with your business objectives. Finally, evaluate the impact of your adjustments based on Gartner's insights to measure success. Repeat this process regularly to ensure continuous optimization of your market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.